welcome to my YouTube channel. It's my whole set of Playmobil Animals.
Yes.
Let's start with the horse.
Today you wanted to show all your animals, didn't you? From your Playmobil sets.
Now I first got the horse group.
There's the couple of
People
horses.
can go on the horses, people can.
Yeah, you can ride on their backs. Look at all these cool animals that you are collecting.
Now I have the Badger family.
You're going to show some, are you? There's
the Badger family.
There's the little badgers.
Yeah.
At the front. Here they are.
Now here are like wildebeest.
Wildebeests. These guys.
A wildebeest.
Wildebeest.
And they have got some different kinds of them as well.
Oh, have they?
I have got some different kinds.
Okay, what are these
and these
ones?
are buffaloes.
Buffaloes. Buffaloes. Are these water buffaloes or?
Water buffaloes. They're water buffaloes.
Wow, they are cool. We like those, don't we?
Yes. But
What, what other animals would you like to show everybody at home?
Wild hogs.
Wild hog. There we go.
It looks like a pig.
Yeah, where do wild hogs live?
In the woods.
In the woods.
So really people don't really see them.
Which other animal here lives in the woods? Find me a woodland animal.
Okay, any wood.
Yep.
Deer.
Deer.
So I will find the babies one. And I'll find the other one.
Is that a reindeer?
No, that's a deer.
So it's not like Rudolph.
No.
He can't
But
fly.
even I found two babies of them as well.
Oh.
And this is like a kid. This is a kid one.
A kid deer.
Yeah,
Oh, cool.
a kid.
Now, can you find me your favourite animal here?
Two.
Your first and your second.
Snake and elephant.
First favourite, elephant.
Yep.
Second favourite, snakes. Whoa! Can you find my favourite? What's Daddy's favourite animal here? Do you...
Rhino.
Yes! I love a rhino. And he's even got his baby, look. Whoa, he's running away.
Bit silly.
I think he just charged. He almost charged through all the other animals. That could have been very dangerous.
Now I have the giraffe.
Two giraffes.
Two giraffes.
Have you got any animals that live in water?
Yes. Got penguins, otters and crocodile. I'll start with the crocodile. I've got babies but I don't really remember where
And his
they
mouth
are.
opens and closes, doesn't it? Snap, so he can eat people.
Look, even.
He can even eat the snake for his dinner, look.
Like that.
Yummy.
And now I'm going to have the panda family.
The panda family. And pandas eat
Bamboo.
bamboo. They love a nice chunk of bamboo, don't they? Do you like eating bamboo?
No.
Oh, you like bamboo?
No, I don't. And even their legs move.
Yeah.
And their heads move.
Their legs move, their heads move, and there's the whole family. What about some skunks?
I might do some guinea pigs.
Guinea pigs first.
Guinea pigs.
Do you want a guinea pig for a pet?
They will be pretty hard to take care.
Will they?
All of us be running around.
Yeah.
And look, we have all the different kinds, but only some of them are the same, aren't they?
What about the smelly skunks?
Okay, I might do the skunks next. Skunks. Ah, here's another.
Ah,
Here's the skunks, and their tails can move. Their tails can move.
Smelly.
Tails can move.
Ooh.
That's the way. That's what they can do. Now
Okay,
there's,
who's up
the
next?
jaguar.
Jaguar.
Family.
A jaguar is really fast or really, really slow?
I think they're really fast.
Yes.
Jaguars. Now I'm going to have the llamas. Llamas.
Llamas.
I
We
have
like
one
llamas.
baby. Have one baby. One baby llama.
Haven't we fed llamas before at the zoo?
No.
We did at one zoo, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yes, we
And
did.
at the farm.
We fed them at the zoo that had the ostriches, the pecking ostriches, weren't they?
Not ostriches. Emus.
Emus, that's it.
And now I have the rabbits. family. Not many rabbits, only 2.
2 little bunny rabbits. Hop, hop. They're hopping off in the big heap. Look, there's a pile now. Here we go.
We've got
Only
the
Giraffe
cat
is still
family.
standing up. He's the
Cat
pussycats.
Move. That's the only head that can move.
What about finding an animal that rolls around in mud? Yes.
Waterhog.
And they love
Mud.
mud.
And pigs. Might do the pigs next.
Yeah.
The pigs.
Do you like rolling around in mud?
No.
Do you like jumping in mud?
I do like jumping in puddles.
Yes.
And look, there they are. There's
Because
the
we made a video, didn't we, jumping in puddles?
Yes, we did. And I hope you saw that one.
Yes, me too. Because we find a giant puddle at the end, don't we?
Yes. And now I have the cow family.
Cow family. Moo.
Mama.
Oh, he's a noisy cow, that one. And the little baby one's got a little tiny moo. What about, are they gazelles you got or antelopes?
I think there might be antelopes. Antelopes.
There we go. Couple of antelopes.
Now we're going to do our foxes.
Fox family. Foxes live in the sea.
The woods.
The woods. The woods.
You can't really find foxes. That's why they are like at bedtime.
Oh, they come out.
Like
They
the
come out.
badgers.
They come out when we're asleep, don't they?
Yes.
And you can see behind you, we've got our tree house, haven't we, set up?
Yes.
There we go, with a little bridge.
But do you know, this deer was with him this year, but I forgot to do him.
Oh.
Well, here he is.
There he is. What about
I forgot to do
the...
this cat with it. It's like here he is. I might do my zebras.
Zebras. Zebras live in...
There's like savannah.
Yes.
But you know, I did see one time they kicked a rhino at the zoo.
Whoa, did they?
Yeah.
The zebras
At Colchester Zoo.
kicked a rhino?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why they didn't want to eat the hay.
Oh,
They let
no.
the baby though.
Oh, that's good.
And look now, I've got my meerkats.
Oh, well, the rhinos trying to nick the zebra's hay, were they?
Yeah, look.
So the zebra kicked
Here's the
it.
meerkats. Why this one's
There's
sitting
the
around,
meerkats.
so you can't really see his head. So
Yeah.
I'll just
And
turn
the
him
other
around
couple are
like that.
standing up, like, looking, keeping a look.
Yeah. Now I'm going to do my birds. I've got a lot of birds here.
You love zoos, don't you? And when you grow up and when you're a big boy, what do you want to be?
A zookeeper.
Yeah, a zookeeper. And look after all the animals. Especially the
Elephant.
elephants.
Here's an owl.
An
Here's
owl.
a parrot.
Parrot.
Kingfisher.
Kingfisher.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Toucan.
Toucan.
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Little bird.
Little bird.
Flamingo.
More flamingo.
Oh,
Peacock.
peacock. Pelican.
Pelican. Wow.
And we got swan.
What about the okapis?
Okapis. Here's the okapis. I'm
They
just
are.
going to get one sitting down.
They look a little bit like
Zebras.
zebras, but they're
And this
not.
one's like sitting down. Sitting down. Now I'm going to do the koala bear.
They can hang on their little tree, can't they?
Yes. And even if they're not on the tree.
Do you remember what country they live in, koala bears?
Australia.
Well done.
Penguins. Oh, penguins.
Penguins. They live in the penguin pool, which we have got somewhere, and we usually put water in it and splash everyone in, don't we?
Yeah. Now I've got a sheep.
Sheep. Bah.
And I've got a goat.
A goat.
Some tigers.
Some tiger family. There is a baby tiger around, isn't there, somewhere?
Yeah.
The bear family.
What? Look, his mouth can open.
Whoa, that's so he can catch all the fish.
Yeah. And I might be able to find a fish now. It will take a long time.
And then we've got a couple left, look, from our Playmobil.
Monkey and chimpanzees.
Chimpanzees and the monkey.
But you know, I'll show you something.
And they've all dived into a pile. You're going to show us something really...
special.
Oh, everyone wait and see.
Some
He's coming back right now.
and
He's back.
elephant surprise them all.
He wants to show some more bits and pieces
Surprise them all.
Elephant surprise them all.
Batman blow up.
Batman glow up.
And Captain America robot.
This is where did he come from?
Nanny got it from holiday.
Yes, he come all the way from holiday, which was in Greece.
Yes.
And here he is. He's like a robot, Captain America.
You can get a knife with one.
Cha,
Look,
yeah.
this is my emoji box.
Oh, there's your
You might
emoji
have
tin,
saw.
full of
But
emojis.
I can show you my emojis. Pretty one.
There's all your emoji
One.
collection, look,
This one.
and your
This one.
toy money you spend
This one.
when you play shops, isn't it?
This one. This one.
Tip them out.
Just three more. This one, this one, and this one. Do you want me to take them out?
All your emojis. Oh, so that's your money, isn't it?
Yeah. The money. If I look at you, I'm going to pay £6 if you want me to. Oh, we've got some.
Oh, can I have some money, please?
And these guys. £6.
Oh, I'd love some money.
£6.
£6. Oh, excellent. Thanks. I can spend that in the shops the weekend.
£6.
So, that was our Playmobil collection and some extra bits and pieces just thrown in at the end.
Yeah.
Did you like it, everyone? Did you like showing everyone your Playmobil stuff?
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Give us a...
Thumbs up and look this weekend great.
Whoa.
And look at that.
And it's broke. Ta-da! Don't forget to like and
Subscribe.
subscribe.
And there's a nest.
And there's a nest. Bye.